Hello, my name is Lee Coleman from Hughes Coleman Injury Lawyers. Today I want to talk with you about what to expect when working with Hughes Coleman after an auto accident in Gallatin. If you're watching this video, chances are that means you've hired or you're thinking about hiring Hughes Coleman to help you after you've had an auto accident and you want to know what's coming next. Well, at our firm, it starts with our intake department. We have a department dedicated to helping our new clients get all the information we need on the front end, get all the paperwork signed so we have the information and documentation, and that it's easy and painless for you to get started. Once that's done and you're a client of the firm, then we have a team that will be assigned to your case, a legal assistant who all they do is handle personal injury cases, is there to gather the records to make sure all the documentation is obtained, as well as an attorney assigned to your case that only handles personal injury cases. And that process will start all through until the end. Along the way, if you need help getting medical treatment, we have staff members dedicated to making sure you can get to someone who can get you the treatment that you need. All the way up and through the end, if your case has to be litigated, attorneys who are dedicated to handling lawsuits. And all along the way, what you'll find is caring staff who are there to help you, who are there to take care of your needs. Our clients have a team of highly experienced personal injury attorneys on their side, advocating for their needs and helping to ensure that they receive the highest possible compensation. If you've been injured by someone else's negligence, we're here for you 24/7. Take control and call us today at 800-800-4600. For additional helpful tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel.